go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Always asking about it. There he is. Where you been, Cornbread?
She had been working.
Working. I got him working a screwed up shift. Alright, what we finna try to do?
I have no idea.
Me neither. Alright. See if Cornbread will unzip that box for us. That right there is irrigation. Which neither one of us have a clue about. And I bet it has 0 instructions.
They probably foreign.
Well, it's definitely foreign. I can't afford American made. I say drip tape. That's just your shipping bill. That's drip tape right there. All kind of fittings.
All kinds of things.
Supposed to be enough to do 10 100-foot rows, and I don't think I got a 100-foot row out here, so.
Damn sure can see it.
Alright, we got the hose right here. Cornbread, tell them about the instructions.
There ain't no instructions.
There ain't none, so we're gonna be professional irrigators here in about 20 minutes. We finna lay the hose out. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse while we're working on everything. And we're gonna lay this out, let it be getting flexible. It's supposed to be done in the heat, but you know, Fat Boy don't work in the heat if he can keep from it. Just saying. Now Cornbread might, but you know, he's a skinny boy. Alright, we finna get this laid out. That big button on top. Cornbread trying to figure this out as we go. We might do an instructional video one day on it. We're gonna use the fabric stakes to stake it down because we can't keep it straight because it's not hot. He's finna pop the first line. We're going right down the center of this with it. And we're gonna stop the carpet right at the edge of it, or the ground cover right at the edge of it, where I can see where I need to blow my holes when we get that far along. Hold it up like that and I'll focus in on you.
You want me to do this?
Alright y'all, he's finna poke a hole. He gonna see how this works. Make that first connection. That pop pretty easy, Cornbread?
Yes, sir.
Good deal.
No, but that ain't.
That ain't. We might have to get a torch out here, heat that shit up.
There we go.
Okay, if we're good at this, we'll be doing this professionally next week. Like, we'll probably charge $50, $55, $60 an hour to do it, I imagine. There it goes. Hold it again. Hold on. Stop. Cornbread, what is it like working smarter, not harder sometimes?
It's got a little thing in there.
It's got a little that you push in.
Now where it drips. See? What I'm gonna do is I'll flip it first one.
Yeah, we figured out we're gonna leave the roll up here and just walk the tape to the end, because sometimes you gotta work smarter than harder to make life easier.
See there, I can do this.
Yes, sir. If y'all want an in-depth instructional video on it, we're probably gonna have to add some to it in a couple weeks. I'll get Cornbread, we'll set it up, we'll get close to everything, because I've looked and there's not any real good YouTube videos about what's going on. But it's simple. You figure out where you want your little nozzles at, you put them in with this little plastic poker that ain't worth a damn. Then you take this piece Cornbread's working, that's gonna be the end of your drip tape. And you fold it back into itself, and it's not looking as easy as we thought it would, but he'll figure it out. They got it, folks. We're ready. Say a lot of this y'all just gonna see on time lapse, because this video is already gonna be 14 hours long.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, y'all don't know how much footage I done fucked up with this camera. We finna have to order a bunch more stuff. I'll give y'all a total of how much more I gotta order in the description of the video.